Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
Okay, you're watching our video, Zaraki Jun. I'm Za and this is Jun.
Yeah.
Okay. Dalawa lang kami.
Dalawa
And
lang
now,
kami yan.
you're watching our video, how to make
How to eat
hot cake.
hot cake.
Okay.
Hot cake.
How to eat, not make. I'm sorry. So, this is ginawa ko to cake. Ayan.
Palpak.
Hindi naman palpak. Ayan. Masarap.
Ikumpara mo dito, ikumpara.
Ito po ang akin. Pag tinikman nyo, lagyan nyo ng butter and sugar.
Dade mo eh.
Good. How about you, Jun? How's your cake?
Tingnan mo yung luto ko. Pro yan, pro. Pro Q.
Oh, man.
Pro level.
Can you taste?
Pakita mo. Wait lang hindi ko mahati.
Mas masarap na may akin, di ba? Ginawa ko to.
Namo, eat it. Yes. Try ko.
Pag tapos na kayo kumain, you need to drink a milk. Okay, here's the glass of water, Snoopy.
Glass of water, buwag.
Snoopy, okay? Ow.
Gago. Bobo.
The top one. Kampai.
Kampai. Alright. Sorry, bro.
Delicious. This is an extra movie. Just short a little of minutes. Nanonood kami ng Dawn of the Dead. Here we look at that. Hindi kita nga lang.
Hindi nakikita.
Ayaw na. Okay. Here we ayaw na.
Yeah.
Ayaw man yung camera. Hindi yung yan. So this is our last. This is the tapos na.
That's all.
Okay, this is the last. That's all, and this is the last eat of my hot cake fried.
Rasta si Kukuchi.
Hot cake fried. Here.